Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can resize an image on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're gonna find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're gonna find the option to create a new site. Right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now I'm gonna go to this site, for example, hover my mouse over it, and then right here you're gonna find select and edit site. So right now I'm going to click on select and edit site, and then right here you're gonna be on your dashboard right now. And here in the left, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of these sections. Here you're gonna find setup, home, getting paid, sales, catalog, and so on. And then right here in the bottom you're gonna find the option to edit site. Go ahead and click on edit site, and then you're going to be redirected to this tab right here. As you can see guys, this is going to be the editor for your Wix website. Right here in the left, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the tools that you would need in order to customize your site. Right here you're going to find the option to add elements, add section, pages and menus, site design. You can add apps, my business, media, and CMS. So right now, in order to resize an image, it's pretty easy. First of all, I'm going to add an image. Click on image, upload and import, and then I'm going to upload an image from my computer. So I'm going to click on upload from computer, and I'm going to go to the pictures folder. And then, for example, I'm going to add a random image from here, for example, this one. And then once you add your image, as you can see, guys, we're going to click on add to page. And right now the image is added. So in order to resize an image, just click on it. And then as you can see guys here in the borders, you're going to find these dots right here. So these dots are for changing the size of the image. As you can see guys, if you click on the center right here, hold it and move it, as you can see guys, you're going to be able to move the image whatever you want. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.